Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Copilot on Microsoft's apps. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to get Copilot on your Microsoft account or on plan, you will be needing to already have like a subscription for Copilot. So basically here I'm on the Microsoft website or on my dashboard for my Microsoft, and basically you will be able to go to your Microsoft Copilot from the apps, and if I go or I click, you will be able to get here. And from here, if we go to additional apps, and basically there is the Microsoft Copilot and there is the Microsoft Copilot chat, and you will need to first have like the plan so you can be able to start using Copilot. And if we go to see business plans, you will be able to see that Copilot needs to have like uh, a plan or a subscription so you can be able to start using it. So there is the Copilot in business, as you can see, it has like a specific um plan. So you will be needing to just like add these copilots to it, and basically you will be needing or you will be able to start using it. So you want just to click on buy now and you choose like the plan. You will be needing just to add informations about your subscription or about your plan, like solving the captcha, as you can see, by using the Copilot in apps such as Word and Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. So it can help you in their operation, like helping you in the PowerPoints or in the presentation, helping you in uh, creating emails, etc. And also you will have like the Copilot chat, so you can uh, using it as all the other generative AI. And basically you will need just to click on next and add all the information, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.